what we're going to do is scroll down to the template you notice has 1.0, and what you can do is hover over it until you see the 3 dots, click on it, and then it says make a copy in Canva 2.0. And there you will have it. All the 2.0 templates won't have a 2.0, but the 1.0 templates will have a 1.0. I know it's weird. So just to see what the difference is. So this is 2.0. And then this is the 1.0 version. I was going to say, if you've been with me long enough, you know that my computer is slow. Too many files on here. And this is the 1.0 version. And you can see the difference. Thanks for watching. Bye.